Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Santa Gnome Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start with one of the tinsel trees from the Dollar Tree, and I am just removing all of that messy tinsel on there, and it reveals a great plastic cage that you can make trees, gnomes, different items like that, even like topiaries. I'm going to use mine to make a gnome with one of these cute little red and black buffalo check Santa hats from the Dollar Tree. Now for the beard, I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree white rope. And what I want to do is go this first section. So as you can see, there's like little sections on the tree. I cut the rope that would be long enough to go that first section from like plastic part to plastic part there. And I'm just going to cut out a whole bunch of these now that I know exactly how long I want the beard to be. And I'm doing like the entire package of rope. Now that's going to be the beard. You could also use the Dollar Tree mops for this, but I wanted to see how it looked with the rope, and I really love it, especially combined with that fur that's on that hat, a very rustic looking Santa. Now I just take the rope still intact, and I'm hot gluing them to that plastic bar right there, side by side. We are going to be unraveling these to make a cute little curly Santa beard, but I thought it would be easier to leave it all attached while you're gluing it on. And so I just do that all the way around the entire Christmas tree. Now to make sure it stays on, reinforce it a little bit, I used a little bit of twine and hot glue, and I'm just kind of strapping it down a little bit. Now that I have it good and attached, I can go ahead and just start undoing all of the rope. It goes into 3 pieces. All you have to do is kind of unbraid each one, and it gives you a great curly little beard. So this is what it looks like so far. Now for the gnome nose, I'm just using a wooden bead. I chose like a larger one, and I'm going to go ahead and stain it with a little Antique Wax by Waverly to go with the rustic vibe of this little Santa gnome. I'm going to attach it right about here. I just used, since it has a hole in it, I just used some twine and tied it to the cage so it will definitely stay on. Now the Santa hat is going to be a little bit large for this, but it's really easy to resize these down for any size project you want. I'm just going to take it, see exactly how big it really needs to be, and then I'm just going to kind of make a seam to double it up. I do think there's going to be a little bit of excess fabric, so what I did was just kind of cut out like a little triangular portion here of the excess material, just so it's just not so bulky when I go ahead to put it back together. I do want to do like an easy no-sew option though, so I just turn it inside out, and I'm just going to use hot glue to glue the seam. It is lined, so you're going to have to glue down the liner as well, but that seemed to work pretty well, and now I have a smaller Santa hat that's the perfect scale for this cute little rustic Santa gnome. And I love the buffalo check, very cute Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and start sizing it on. I use hot glue here on the rope to attach it. I want to slightly overlap the little wood bead so you can't see the hole in it, and it gives you that great gonk or gnome look. I've heard that gonk is when you can't see their eyes, which is what this project is. And then I attach with hot glue along the back too, also trying to shorten the fur part, but look how beautiful that fur is on there. I think it's so cool. And we have kind of a lumberjack looking Santa Claus gnome. Really fun. I only used a couple of items, like 3 items there from the Dollar Tree, plus a wood bead. So it was super inexpensive, and it was so fun to make.